Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday. When? 16th of September 2025. Where? Royton, Tandle Hill Road, Oozewood, Thornham, Oldham, OL2 5UY. What? Working on footpath, FP9 Royton, strimming, cutting back trees, hedge cutting, clearing vegetation, cutting gullies and replacing timbers on the decking. Who? 5 volunteers out this week. Ken, Paul, Mike, Bob and George. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Oh, and next week will be the last clearance meeting for 2025, and I am sad to say that due to many other volunteering commitments, I am retiring from my role as team leader after next Tuesday. I'd like to thank all the volunteers that have helped maintain and keep Oldham's footpaths clear over the last 5 years or so. Volunteers working for walkers, keep on walking.